Hello and welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up Python for web scraping on your device. So I'll be using Windows for this process, but it's almost the same procedure. First, we will have to check whether we have Python installed on our computer. If you don't, just go to python.org, download and install the latest version. Then during the installation, make sure to check Add Python to Path. So let's get started. First, I want to check whether Python is installed by checking the version. So use Python dash dash version, and we'll see that we'll get our Python version, which is 3.13 as of making this video. We'll also want to check whether pip is installed. So pip is a Python package that we can use to download Python libraries onto our computer. To check the version of pip, use pip dash dash version. We'll see that we'll get pip version, which is 24.3.1. And if you don't have pip, run python -m ensure pip --upgrade, and this will install pip on your device. So since I already have it, you see requirement already satisfied. Now let's get started. First, we're going to install the request library. The request library will be used for sending HTTP requests. To install it, type pip install request. I have already installed it, so it will be installed when you run this program. Next, we need to install BeautifulSoup. BeautifulSoup is used for parsing HTML and XML documents. To install it, use pip install BeautifulSoup 4. Press enter and you see that it will be installed on your computer. Another library we can use for parsing, which is much faster, is LXML. LXML is for parsing HTML and XML documents. Install it by using pip install LXML and press enter. Now that pip is success, now that LXML is successfully installed, let's take a look at how to install Selenium. Selenium can be used for JavaScript-enabled websites. When you want to scrape this type of websites, to install it, simply run pip install Selenium. It will download and install everything you need on your device. Since we are going to be scraping JavaScript-enabled websites, we also need the correct web driver for our website. So for Chrome, we are going to download the Chrome driver matching the browser version. So search for Chrome driver on Chrome and head over to official Chrome web driver page. Then we'll go to the version selector page to find which version of Chrome we are going to be using. So first we'll go to the settings page, then to the about Chrome section. So we'll see that the version number, for example, is 132. So as of this recording, so we'll go back to the Chrome driver page and find the version that matches this Chrome version, then download that version for our device. So we see Linux, Mac, and Windows versions. So since I'm using Windows 64-bit, I'll download that version. So once I've downloaded it, I'll right click and extract it. So after extracting, I'm going to copy the Chrome driver application, then store it in a permanent location, such as our users name, then we'll create a folder called Chrome driver, then we'll store it in that path. So now we'll copy this path. After copying this path, we'll now go to the system variables. So we'll click on edit environmental variables, then add a new path, then paste the Chrome driver path, then click OK. Then I'm done installing the Chrome driver. Next, we're going to install Scrapy. Scrapy is an advanced web scraping framework used for both scraping and crawling websites. So to install it, we just use pip install Scrapy. Next, we are going to install Pandas. And Pandas is used for organizing your data after scraping. So we can install it with using pip install Pandas. Now, let's install Playwright. Playwright is used for browser automation in modern browsers. So we can install it using pip install Playwright. So after installing it, run Playwright install to complete the setup. Finally, let's install HTTPX. HTTPX is used for asynchronous HTTPS request, which is better than the request library. So we can install it using pip install HTTPX. So we have successfully installed a library needed to run web scraping in Python. So drop a like if you have found this helpful and subscribe for more web scraping tutorials.